Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the action button shortcuts on your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, let's open settings on this device, and then let's go to gestures menu right here. Here we're gonna have to select AI key, and here we can adjust the shortcuts, so the double press can either perform no action or pay attention, catch me up. Press and hold will enable Moto AI if we set it to. Then we can also adjust the press and hold duration using this slide bar. Okay, let's try to double tap the AI key, and as you can see, it enabled the Catch Me Up features, which will let you receive a quick summary of notifications from your messengers. Try it now, and this way you will quickly receive all the notifications by double tapping the side key. You just have to enable permissions for your Moto AI. We have a lot of permissions here. Then select language from the list. And as you can see, we also have the pay attention feature, and what it does after double pressing our button, we will let Moto AI record, transcribe and summarize meetings and conversations. To do that, tap Try Now, and right now, the first time it will wait a while, but the second time it should start quicker. And this way you can start recording the meeting or the conversation or lecture or whatever. Just let this shortcut use your microphone, and now your phone will not record the audio, but it will also create a transcription of it right here. And it will also divide the transcription between the speakers if it detects different voices. And once you stop, you will get the entire transcription of your lecture or a podcast or whatever, basically whatever you've been recording. Now, the press and hold, as we have already seen, can only enable Moto AI, and this is basically just reaching a feature to reach out to your AI assistant, so that you can quickly ask it something that's on your mind. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.